walking, dreaming by each other's side. Your big heart shines with love and grace, ever smile and lighten up this space. From sleepy nights to travels wide, in each step I found my bride. Oh Judith, my heart beats true, our beautiful story forever new. With your love we've grown so strong, in your arms is where I belong. A mistaken door led me to you. Your shy glance felt like a dream come true. We face distance, money is fine, still your tender heart guided me right. Commuting trains and parenting woes, through pain our bond only grows. Oh Judith, my heart beats true, our beautiful story forever new. With your love we've grown so strong, in your arms is where I belong. Our kids' futures, the dreams we weave, in grandkids' laughter will